Daddy.
Yun. Sige ka mo.
Sabi ni Kuya, patadalan ka daw niya. Siya daw magpapadala, oh. Sabi ni, mami, gusto ni Kuya. Sabi niya, oo, daw papadalang ka niya. Para ba yan sa ano mo? Sa leg mo?
Oo, ito pa ako.
Pagkakain natin.
That's the one. Yep. Tapit.
Sa taas. That's for the athletes.
Yeah, village outlet.
What? Where? Are they gonna have it enough? Is it the VP?
Yeah.
Is that a hotel?
No.
No.
Just on the shopping on internet.
Okay.
VP on the shopping.
VP.
Yes. There news hotel tower.
Okay. Is that where they're going to
Yeah,
put the
and,
athlete? And it's in 2 months.
Yeah.
Show it to Josh again. Nako. Marami. We didn't go to that one. No, we didn't. We haven't been to that one. Look, Tesla on the right. Ganda, no? Ito yung marap. Ayan.
Hello.
Ay, hindi ko to alam. Magdalena. Ayan. Mary Magdalene. Diba si Jesus?
Good city.
The good city.
Yeah.
Here you are now, Kuya. This is it. Yeah, the Louvre.
It's on the
See?
left.
There you go.
There's Eiffel Tower. The Louvre, yeah.
Now, I don't like it because the stadium.
Right. On the Champs-Élysées.
The Champs-Élysées there on the right. There when you
You can
entrance.
see the flag there.
Straight Arc de Triomphe.
The Arc de Triomphe, you see.
If you look down there, you'll see.
Okay, when we pass, yeah, we're Kuya there. Yeah. Tingnan mo yung top, ano, ng towers.
The Pont Alexander
The
III.
one with the glass top. This one.
Alexander III on the Grand Palais. The big
Grand-
Palais.
I forgot the name.
Look at the boat.
On the round.
Si Kuya, point the, yeah, we'll do
Sun.
that.
Yeah.
Around the same so they can see.
Yeah. Good.
This is their the bus tour, or you can do the boat. I think we do the boat. So ito yung room namin, nasa 4th floor kami. Pagpasok, ito yung washroom. Ayan. In-upgrade nila kami kasi ang ganda ng kanilang toilet seat.
Siyempre, I had to mention.
Kasi ano, sinabi namin na anniversary namin. In-upgrade nila kami.
Let's see.
Pero simple lang yan.
Very
Ganyan
simple,
lang.
but this is downtown, which is the most. It's part of the. It's the high-end part of the city. Kaya even the smallest, and this, imagine you're
Elementary.
walking distance to all the major landmarks.
So ito yung hotel namin, Bel Ami ang pangalan niya. Ano lang?
This is the front.
Front yan? Yan ba yun? Yan dyan tayo bumaba?
Oh, yep. Dito tayo bumaba. Exactly.
Tapos meron dito. Okay. Nandito yung kanilang mga ano. Sinong dadala ng ating gamit?
Sila.
Ano, libre ba yan? Or we have to pay for that one?
I think we have that's consumable. Yeah.
Ah, ito yung ano, libre nila sa amin. Ano to?
Oh, chocolate. See?
Ano to? Ano ba? Mandarin? Ano ba? Nakalimut.
Macaroon?
Sarap. No, hindi macaroon.
It's not macaroons.
Madeleine.
Madeleines. Yeah.
Sarap.
We are pleased to offer you this sweet treat, the Bellamy team. Hotel Bellamy.
Tubig ang nahanap ko eh.
Okay.
Yan yung coffee corner.
Ang room natin?
Nandun ba sa ano?
Yes, okay.
Yan, merong hair dryer. Tapos, ito, hand wash, hand and body moisturizer. Makeup remover. Tapos, meron silang chinelas. Kasama niya yung bathrobe. Dalawa yan. Nandun yung isa. Okay. Labas muna kami para...
Abby, which one?
Yeah. Ano mo muna? Hindi na?
Down to you.
Ah, okay. Kakain muna kami sa labas.
0 ba? O 1?
Ano mo na din yung 1? Para sigurado. Ayaw. Oo.
So here.
Yan yung spa nila. Hello. Hi! Hindi ba siya yun? Love, upo ka dito.
I can give her a call and ask if she's coming down.
Tingnan mo, ang ganda oh. Ah, it is a video to. Anong street ba to? Dice Kayak.
Kasi Ken, mauna kayong dalawa nga. Mauna kayong dalawa. Harap kayo dito.
Balik ka na.
Open.
Okay, let's eat first.
Yes.
Oh my god, they're open. That's Alain Ducasse. It's a famous.
Okay.
Love.
Oh, yeah. So,
Gusto niyo ba ng sparkling water?
meron pa kayong dalawa? Picture ako dyan. Love.
Obrigado.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's for your
Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Marami ng upuan dun sa Plaza de la Concord. Dito din natin makukuha yung
Nakakabit na yung para sa Olympics. Eh.
Sarap.
What a treat.
Careful, is that okay?
Okay.
Give you this to share.
you.
Bye for your picture, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Hello, can give you a chocolate.
Chocolate. Gusto mo ako maglagay? Okay.
Okay.
So I think he had something like this where there was a cover for the handle.
Bayaan mo siya maglagay sa Facebook kasi it's her thing for her business, right?
Ano?
Parang gusto ko araw-araw nito ah.
Hotel namin, Hotel Bellamy. Huh? Yan yung hotel namin. Hotel Bellamy.
Okay.
Okay, ako na magkukuha.
Yeah, right. Artistic shot. Ano yun? Stolen shot. More like
Kasi
stolen.
yung pintuan namin, biglang may ribbon. Pagpasok namin, nagulat kami, merong ano to, petals.
Rose petals.
Rose petals ang aming bed. At may balloons tayo, love.
Yeah, with balloons.
Oh my goodness. Bellamy, thank you so much. Kakatuwa naman sila.
Oh.
Sinabi kasi namin na anniversary namin.
25 years
25
anniversary,
years
so they
anniversary.
complimented everything.
Nice. Thank you. Oh my God. Ah, may pila. Ano yung pila? What is this pila? Go up. Balik ka. Susulat tayo.
Cardinal Richard.
The history of that.
Yeah. History of the Basilica.
Hindi pa natapos yung ano.
Si St. Anthony de Padua.
Step.
Si Maggie, the three, it's you. Saint Joseph and Mary, and baby Jesus.
Ito naman ang nails na ginagamit ng mga carpenters nung time ni Jesus. Yan, pinapakita lang nila kung ano ang itsura. Pero hindi yan yung actual na ginamit kay Jesus. Most likely, ganyan din ang itsura.
That's why I said we start your vacation with soccer shoes. Yan. So yan. Isarap ang yan.
Ah. Tayong dalawa. Dito lang.
Oh, ayan na. Mas maganda, oh. Diba? Ang ganda.
Siguro pag gabi niyan maganda din.
Yeah, we'll see.
Isang ano lang. Funiculare. Right, going down. Kaya pala gusto niya kasi parang Montmartre Square? Montmartre Square?
Diba? Ang ganda.
Oo. Kami kainan din sa loob.
Talaba.
Fresh seafoods. Mabuti pa! Lovers in Paris.